Hello and welcome to New Orleans. This is Heidi Ellsworth.
I'm Karen Edwards.
And where are we, Karen?
We are in the Caesars Superdome,
Oh my God.
standing on the field.
It is so cool. It is so cool. We are so proud to be here with Certainteed Business Building Workshop. They've invited BBW. Everybody knows it by that. And they've invited us to be not only here in New Orleans, but we're going to be at all the BBWs through April. This is impressive.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm blown away.
I am too. They had over 570 registrations for this. And contractors are going to be here today. They're going to be going to classes.
Yep.
In fact, Karen, we have a class today.
We do at 10 a.m. Central Time. We're going to be doing a class on podcasting.
Yes, on podcast. Yeah, so we are going to be talking to how contractors can, first of all, figure out how to be guests on
Right.
podcasts, and then also how they can start their own podcasts.
Right.
Right, because it is the new way.
Easy. That's right.
It is easy. Of course, the coffee shops have been doing it since 2018, and have a few tips and tricks that we can share.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Don't be intimidated. It's not as hard as you think,
Nope.
especially with the technology that's available today.
Exactly. And how cool is it that Certainteed brings all of these experts to do classes, a full day of classes?
Yeah.
I mean, they have classes here on sales. Project Map It is here with Steve Spence talking about AI and what you should be doing, SEO.
Mhm.
Ryan Groth is here. We saw.
Yeah, lots of our friends are here.
Yeah. So we're going to be doing the classes. We're also, speaking of telling stories, we are going to be telling the stories of the contractors that are here today and a lot of the Certainteed folks. So we'll be having them here for interviews throughout the day.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
exciting.
I'm really excited about that. And hearing, in fact, we see some folks that we met last night, and we're going to get them over here.
Dawn and Charles.
John and Charles with Eagle Roofing. And it's, all through not just wherever we are, New Orleans, Louisiana.
We met some folks from Mississippi.
Yes.
Contractors from this
Oklahoma.
general region. Oklahoma. Yeah.
So we have a lot of people, like we said, over 500 contractors are going to be here today. So stay tuned. We're going to be bringing them your way. We're going to be asking them how important this kind of training is and just how spectacular Certainteed is.
I know. Yeah. Once you watch throughout the day and see everything that's happening here, you're going to be calling up your Certainteed rep for sure.
I'm telling you what, this is really impressive. So stay tuned. Be sure to watch for us. You're going to be getting those notifications today. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe so you get those notifications.
And how do you do that?
Ring the bell. I'll see you in a little bit.
Bye.